Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video, an update on Shiba Inu or the Shib token, whatever you want to call it, it's both fine. I'll use both names interchangeably, but wanted to just make an update. I know that a lot of you are interested in these updates and there are some interesting things I think I can say about Shiba Inu, so I wanted to do that, well mainly technically, but obviously with Shibarium coming up we need to say something about the fundamentals as well. Before we get into it, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals in the Cilinix Crypto Trading Signal group and also get updates on the market and join our exclusive trader group, make sure to check out the links either in the description or the pinned comment on how to join. There are instructions in both those servers. But now let's get right into it. So first of all, I mean, to get the fundamentals out the way, I mean, Shiba Inu, obviously there's some underlying bullish fundamental element to it, that we all know that Shibarium is going to come, and we all know the team behind Shiba Inu. If it's actually completed or if it's close to completion, they will definitely hype it up. And usually when in crypto, if a project or if a development is hyped up, the price rallies. So I do expect that somewhere in the next, I don't know, who knows when Shibarium is going to be completed. Probably in the next like 3 months at the very least. That's very conservative, I know, but still. So then I do expect a rally. But for now, as you can see, to dive into the technicals, we have been fairly bearish. Ever since the beginning of February, we've started the downtrend. And we've had support. I mean, you can see that this trend line, for example, held as a support for quite a long period of time. But then we had a bearish confirmation and dropped down further. So the main question is, in my eyes and always, when are we going to find a support level that is actually strong enough to get us out of this downtrend? And that's a pretty difficult thing to do in a downtrend like this. It's always easier to count the resistance levels. I mean, for example, right now, this level around 1200 is an amazing resistance level. I could have told you that when we dropped down below that as well. But in terms of support, what I wanted to do with you is zoom out a little bit. That's often a great thing to do in times like these, zoom out. And what you see then is that you have, I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you, hopefully it's better to see right now. What you then see is this level. This level is first of all a support level, as you can see historically, but apart from that it also has the 200 EMA and the 100 EMA. Altogether making it quite a strong support level. So that's the level that really got my attention. The circle looks very distorted right now. But this is really the level I think where we're going to drop down to, but I also think we're going to find quite some support from there. Now, that's a risky thing to say when the market is bearish like this, as most of you know. But yeah, I genuinely believe that. I think we'll drop down there, and I think from there, from this level, I would say to make it precise, I would say like 1170, 1160. I think from there we can actually get a small rally all the way up to 1250. Now from there, I have to be honest with you, I'm not sure if it's enough to get out of the downtrend, but it's not financial advice, of course, but I'm heavily debating buying it here. I think it's a great buy area. I think it has quite a high probability of hitting and getting some profits. But yeah, in the end, I'm pretty sure we'll find support there. Whether we can get that rally, I'm not too sure. It also largely depends on the market. If Bitcoin right now stays bearish like this, stays dropping down and drops down below towards like 23,000 and 22,500, then Shiba Inu might drop down all the way to 1120 and 1100. So it's dependent on the market circumstances a little bit, but it seems to be that we will find support there and at least stabilize a little bit. So that's my take on Shiba Inu for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.